Today I'm going to compare 3 different scales that I've used at home personally to check my own body weight and different features that each of these 3 scales have. I am over 150 pounds down, and here is my experience with using 3 scales to track my progress. The first scale I'm going to show you is the Simple Scale by Innovafit. I've had this scale for 3 years. I bought it on Amazon, and I am able to track my weight simply by looking at 0.1 pound differences in my weight. So that was important to me when I bought this, was that I wanted it to be an accurate scale, and I wanted it to show me my progress in terms of 0.1 pound at a time. I didn't want it to be 0.2, and I didn't want it to be half a pound. I wanted to be able to track my progress, motivate myself to lose weight, and this one does just that. Let me show you. This is, like I mentioned, a really basic scale. You push it on, get the display to start, and then you're going to just step on it like you would any other scale. It's pretty accurate, goes by 0.1 pound increments. You step off, and there you go. It gives you your accurate measurements in terms of weight, and that is that. So if you're looking for a simple scale, this one might be for you. This scale is by Eufy. This is a biometric smart scale, so you can step on this and it will give you a lot of detailed information about not only your weight but your body mass, weight in terms of water mass, etc. And this one works with an app. It can also display on the screen for you your statistics, and you can use multiple users for this. You can set this up in the app. It works by batteries that you put into the back. They're AAA batteries, so easy enough to change out when you need to. This one has all of the sensors right on there. Let me show you how this one works. So here is your scale. You activate it by stepping on it. There is a switch on the bottom that you can change it from kilograms to pounds. You can use this up to 396 pounds starting weight. So again, you step on it to activate. You are gonna put your feet right over the sensors, stay still, let it do its thing to measure. It will tell you and show you that it's on my correct username, and it's telling you that it's working and measuring body metrics, tells you to step off the scale. And at this time, this is when you can scroll through here by looking through to see your measurements. It will display right on the front display there. You can also open up the app, which you connect by Bluetooth to see more of your measurements. Let me show you that here. So here is my app here. I have opened up, it's on my profile. Like I mentioned, you can have more than one user on it. As soon as I step on my scale, it will auto-populate on here. Now, if I was using the scale and didn't have the app open and then open the app, the next time it connects by Bluetooth to my scale, it will show me my results. So here is my weight, my BMI, my muscle mass, my body fat. It will show you graphs of your weight. If you're losing weight, it's a nice way to visually see that. Your calorie intake, how many calories you are burning each day. And then you can set your goals in here so that you can motivate yourself and look at your progress over time. It will let you kind of have some different settings here. And it's kind of a simple display in terms of one of these body metric scales. There are ones that are a lot more detailed, but depends really what you're looking for. If you want something simple to give you a couple different measurements to sort of motivate you, this one might be for you. So it'll show you your weight over time. It'll show you if you're within normal ranges or out of the normal ranges. It'll give you your BMI, your percent body fat, muscle mass, water, your BMR, all of these types of different measurements here. So that is how this one works. Thank you to Posture for sending me this scale so that I could share a review and show you exactly how it works. Last up, we have this much more advanced scale by Posture. This one is really cool, gives you a lot of statistics, a lot of measurements, a lot of information that you can use each day. You can ignore them too and just use the basic body functions on here, giving you your weight, some of the more simple metrics, but this can give you a whole lot of information if that's what you're looking for. Let's see how it works. So for this one here, you want to activate it by stepping on it like any other one. This one will talk to you, give you a lot of information, and so you just need to listen to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out this bar here, you're gonna put your thumbs here and your fingers here on the sensors, put your feet flat on it, lift your arms out to about 30 to 45 degrees, listening for your prompts. It has already gotten my weight and now it's measuring everything else. And now it looks like it has completed. So what I'm gonna do for this one, it's giving me a few measurements right on here, percentage of body fat, BMI, my actual weight. The rest I'm gonna gather from my app. Let me show you how that looks. So this posture scale also uses an app, lots of metrics on there, has not only your weight and your muscle mass in general, but also measures each of your arms, each of your legs, all kinds of information you can scroll up and see. You can look at charts based on the last time that you were on the scale. You can set goals for yourself as well. Similar to the Eufy one, you can look at your progress in different ways. Let's look at some charts here. Gives a real lot of overall information. Let's look at the charts. You can see your graphs here over time, and you can view all your data at one time. You can compare your data. You can share your graphs. You can have printouts of your information. So if you want to screenshot them, you can send them to maybe a doctor if you're being followed by someone on a program. You can even get some tutorials about how best to use this. You can get all kinds of reports in a very detailed layout or more simple layout. Lots and lots and lots of information here if that's what you're looking for. So which scale is for you? That's something you have to decide. Maybe some of the information is overwhelming and it's too much information in each scale. Maybe some of it is underwhelming and you need more. And this is just an idea of the range of types of scales that are there on the market and some ideas of what you can look for when you're wanting one to pick up for your home. I'm no expert. I'm just sharing what I have used and what has helped me through the years.